So in this video I'm talking about the tray on a CL5500 series. The tray basically consists of two parts, and you can see that there are these latches right here that go into these, okay? And there's a way they just basically snap, you know, like this. And there's like a natural point where you feel like it's in there, right? And then there, and then you just kind of place that in, and so it kind of snaps into place. There's only one spot in which it feels like it fits correctly, right? And once that spot is in, you can actually, against this side this way, you can lift up the metal part, because those latches, they'll hold it. You can only lift it this way, you see? And it kind of lifts the entire scale this way, in fact. And so then this is what you have. You have a tray that comes with the scale, like this. And there is another option. You can purchase a fish tray. A fish tray looks like this. It has these pins here that are aligned with these holes, and so you kind of throw that into place, and it's secured, and it has, as you can see, it has edges, right? So it's a little bit larger, but mostly it's the edges, and then you can just lift it up and throw the original back in. Original one has no edges. So that's fish trays on the CL5500 models.